Alaska is sort of like that. You just come around a corner and all of a sudden there it is. This huge white piece of ice in the middle of the mountains. It was really neat.
It had that big lake sort of in the middle of it, which was just amazing looking.
Yeah.
If I stopped every place I felt like stopping, I would just never
Never
get anywhere. Yeah, I would never go home.
Yeah. We were only 5 kilometers into the Yukon territory where we heard the roads were the worst, before we, hit a big dip in the road and just dragged the oil pan on the ground and tore a big hole in it.
It's happened once before, so every trip we go on, we joke around and say, like, oh, did you bring the extra oil pan? It's just kind of funny, but then it really happened again, so. But everything looks pretty clean.
Right now it takes about 4 to 6 hours to dry, and it's pretty cold here.
So we always have a few little problems here and there on the road, and we just pull over and fix it, keep going.
All right, so we got it fixed. Guess we're out of here to White Horse.
All right.
Yeah, we have this new travel blog that we're working on called Fools Be Trippin'. We've sort of bridged this place between our work and being vagabonds that just travel all over the place. We kind of made work our play and vice versa.
It was after White Horse. It got dark and the roads got really bad.
Those roads were just a different challenge. They were narrow and didn't have any lanes. Couldn't really see the edge of the road.
Well, that was a really long day of driving. It was nice to get off the road and have a nice quiet evening by the campfire.
Yeah. We grew up together in the desert in Las Vegas.
We had an old 4x4. My dad would take me and friends out when I was a little kid, and we'd sit on his lap and steer the steering wheel, and it was always kind of like a don't tell your mother situation.
My dad did the same thing with me. I just remember sitting on his lap, driving the car. Deep purple Lincoln Grand Marquis.
Wow.
Yeah. Both of our dads are passed away, but I think they really influenced our lives.